Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Prophet Shine. I'm back with another video. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm a little mad right now because I just recorded the same exact video, but it didn't pick up the audio. So I'm basically finna re-explain everything I just explained. But it's cool, man. You know I got y'all. Bet. When I first logged on, I seen we was bearish and we were knifing through this fair value gap to the left right here. These great bots I just drew out. So I initially wanted this low right here on a 4 hour. So I wanted this 4 hour low because, like I said, we're knifing through this. We were knifing through this fair value gap during live time. We were probably about like right here or so. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted. Drop down to the hourly. As you all can see, we just make higher lows. So this low, then this low, like every low is just shorter than the next one. So we're making higher lows. So on top of, knifing through this fair value gap to the left and sell side being down below. Let me go to the 15-minute for you all. And even on the 15-minute, if I zoom out to the left, we have LRR right here. So it's just a lot of confluences that's lining up. We have sell side right here, LRR right here, and then we're knifing through a 4 hour fair value gap while making higher lows. So I mean, not higher lows, lower highs. I'm sorry, y'all, my fault. So I don't know what that is. Let me delete that. So let me write this out for y'all right quick. So what I want to do after you all determine the bias and where's liquidity at, you all want to drop down to a lower time frame. This is only if you trade inversion fair value gaps. I don't know what you all trade, but I'm just speaking on my model. Inversion fair value gaps, my strategy. So you would want to drop down on a lower time frame, and let me drag this out. Where that other line at? Yeah, I'm not finna scroll all the way over there. Hold on. And just to let you know, this second line right here is LRR, but I'm just dragging it out because this is the last low of this trend line liquidity that I had drawn out. So I'm gonna just drag this over for y'all right quick, and then drop back down to the 1 minute. Oops. There we go. So like I say, we're in a downtrend, as you all can see. Just disrespecting all bearish PD arrays. So I wanted this low. I wanted like maybe a retracement of 50% of this range to then get short to this line right here, which is that sell side. But as you all could see at what time, like 9:25, we took this low. This mind y'all, this line is that sell side I just showed y'all. I'm gonna go back to it one more time. Is this low right here? Is this low? So once we swept that low, I'm like, well, we still got this LRR down here, so maybe I could find a trade to that LRR. So I'm gonna delete this first line, that's the sell side. But as you all can see, we took that too. So I'm like, dang, I just keep taking all my liquidity. So we took this low at 9:30. And granted, on the 4 hour, hold on, let me go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, there was still a low, like down below. But to be honest, I didn't think we hit it. I wasn't too confident in it, so I was just like, I'm gonna get long. I was started looking for loans at this point. So right when we took that low, which is this candle right here, you all can't see the time, but this is the 30-second. If you may be wondering why it look different, right when we took this low at 9:30, I know y'all see it because I see it. Hold on, let me draw it out for y'all. We got a fair value gap and we inversed it. So we also have all this liquidity resting up here. If you all don't know, the market moves from liquidity to liquidity. So after we swept this low and this LRR and just being in such a downtrend, you know, taking these lows right here and just taking even this low. We just keep sweeping sell side. We haven't had a decent retracement yet, like a decent run up. It's just been straight down movement since up here. Yeah, we had this little retracement, but that's not really nothing. So we just been in a complete downtrend. So you know, you buy in discount and you sell in premium. So since we are in discount, I want to buy. So with that being said, I see we also have a high right here inside of a fair value gap, which are great liquidity pools. We got buy side resting right here. So as y'all can see my fills, I entered and I just went for a 1-to-1. It wasn't nothing crazy. I'm not making it seem like I just took the biggest trade in the world, because I haven't really been trading like that. But this is like my first trade back, so I wasn't trying to do nothing too crazy. So as soon as I seen this, no hesitation, I bought, and I scaled right here. I wanted to hold to this high, but as you all can see, I had got stopped out right there. So, but you know, it was still a scaled / break even trade. So a win is a win. I take it. At least I'm not ready for the day. And it was easy for me to trade profits. You know, I could have taken this short right here, but I didn't do it because I just want to, you know, install that discipline of being a real life like pro day trader, of just being one and done, getting your win for the day, no matter if it's big or small, no matter if it's the money you was expecting or it's not the money you was expecting, just being done for the day, one and done. Because let's say if I would have taken this trade and it lost, now I just lost the profit. Let me draw that for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. This fair value guy right here. So you gotta combine them. So I would have lost the profit I made on top of just being red for the day. So I would rather not. So I just took my one trade and was done for the day. And I could scroll over if y'all think I'm lying. I don't see no fills, just only right here. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I said base side. My fault, y'all. I mean buy side. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And oh, one more thing I noticed on the 15-minute, we also were delivering from a fair value gap. So we swept the low inside of a fair value gap. And if y'all know, these are like the best liquidity pools like to sweep. Like after you sweep a low inside of a fair value gap and it closes and makes a swing low like this did here, this now becomes a protected low. So this low right here at 930 that I'm hovering over is now a protected low. So basically what that means is it's going to be hard to go and hit this low again. As you all can see, we just rejecting it. We came close here, but we never took it. So I'm like, okay, we got a protected low, buy side above, 930 Judas swing. No way I'm not taking it. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today's trade. Like I mentioned before, we did have this low right here, but I wasn't too bent on going to this today. So, and I know we needed some type of short-term retracement, but yeah, that's it, man. Y'all folks just stay on y'all grind, stay working. I promise it's gonna pay off. And the stuff I'm telling y'all, I really be telling myself, because it's like I'm just talking to myself through y'all type of thing. Like the advice and stuff I tell y'all is what I tell myself and what I need to hear from myself. It's kind of just like a way of coping, if y'all get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. First video back, y'all drop in the comments, let me know what y'all want, what kind of content, and I would try to bring it to y'all. But y'all just gotta talk to me, man. Let me know. But I'm gonna catch y'all next video. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like, comment, share, do all of that, and I'm gonna catch y'all next video.